This is how you clean your fish. Number 1, put the glove on. Number 2, clean the fish properly. Lay on the table. Fill the fish. Show what your fish that you catch. Then get the 2 scale and scale the fish. After you scale both sides, chop the fin off and clean. Got it. Very, very sharp. Cut the tail off. Cut the fins off. Oh my god, this is so heavy. Judy scissors still used to it. Cut the sharp one and get the core try to get it out. So use the scissors. Yeah, what is it? Is okay. Let's cut the fish into 3 pieces. Don't mark 1. Mark number 2. Mark number 3. So it's not 3 feet. 1, 2, 3, 4 pieces, including the top one. Try to get the tag out. Or not just the sharp one to get it out. Well, I never see the fish have the tag before, so I thought it's something that's very hard to get out. But anyway, that tag is just like a hook, but it's plastic one. It got a number there which day they release, and how long they travel, and when is the fisherman catch them. And when you caught the fish with the tag, sometimes you want the price, but it don't have the price. You just call the department of industry fishery to report the fish you caught. So yes, from how long the travel. So you can chop into 2 pieces. Oh my god, that feels so big. Have to use force. Yeah, I'll probably go another piece. You have to use the force. See the finger on the bench? Use that one to force the bone cuts. Show the wheel just cut it off. So you need to chop the bone. Let's go really quickly. Oh, there's a lot of blood in there. So scrape it out.
When you see blood,
Scrape it out, all the blood after you cook this. It smells so fishy. I think cut the head off. Yes, maybe use the scissors better. Oh, that's good. Fish head into 2 small fish for cooking later. This looks so small in there, but this fish is the tray now. Probably after put the fish on the tray. Make sure it fit into the tray properly. And that's the head part. Goes in there. Probably, yeah. Oh, looks cool. Yummy. Okay, probably I put the rice on top to cover the meat so it's still fresh. And thank you for watching.